Hello viewers, I am Agamini Onisofian, a 195 batch guidance school student. I'm here to tell you all my feedback on how the school has impacted positively into my life. But before I proceed, I must commend my instructor, my mentor, my moderator, Mr. Olani Ishmael. Is indeed a father, is indeed a friend. He really impacted the knowledge into us. Although we don't really know him, I don't really know him, but in course of the communication, what he impacted, the knowledge he impacted to us is as if we're together talking, but we don't know ourselves. But the school has, told us, has showed us the possibility of, communication that I never knew about. But thanks to this guidance school. Now, in addition, I learned how to use some applications that I've been hearing about by my friends who are guiders, some participants and all that. I've been hearing from my colleagues, at work and all that. I've been hearing about it. But I wonder how it works, especially the GoToMeeting software, that people from different locations, from different zones, will meet at a particular time. It will be as if we're in a conference hall, but we are far apart. I saw the possibility. I began to wonder, but it's real. So God see this program, and now I can be a moderator in a meeting, and then I will invite so many persons who will meet. We'll talk. We won't see ourselves, but we're talking, and everybody's sharing his ideas. Everybody's coming with his points and all that. God see this program. Secondly, when I was a participant, when I've not really come into the guidance school, I don't really know much, about MMM. I don't really know the history. I don't really know the ideology. But because of this program, I begin to understand. I understood the history, the ideology, the do's and the don'ts. And I know that when I go back, my downliners, and I will explain these things to them, the do's and the don'ts, the history, and how MMM came about. I will explain to them. Now, thirdly, the Bitcoin. I've been hearing about Bitcoin. I never knew how this Bitcoin is all about. But in course of this program, I was taught, and today I have a Bitcoin wallet. I have a Bitcoin wallet that I created for myself, ready for international transactions. And finally, I'm into the medical sciences. I'm a microbiologist by profession. I'm into chemistry. What I know is chemistry, physics, biology, and all that. I'm not into this, management sciences of a thing. But the group that I find myself in this school, okay, I was in Group B, and Group B, we have different professionals. We have the engineers, we have the medical professional, we have the engineers, the lawyers, and all different professionals, the managements, managers and all that. So there was a task they gave us that we should come up with a business plan of developing MMM in Thailand and all that. I alone cannot really do it because that's not my field. But because of the group, I find myself, everybody came with his idea. Mr. A came with his idea, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D, Mr. F, and so on and so forth. So all these ideas were put together, and then we came up with a successful business plan. And I'm telling you that the business plan that we had between the different groups, our group, my group, Group B, came out the best. God see the ideas shared by the different professionals in the group. So MMM has really transformed it has really transformed my life. So if you're there, you've not joined MMM, my brother, you're not you're not on the right train. You have to move with the right train. So I want to finally assure you that if you join MMM, the best way to try MMM is just to try with the little you just to understand the system is just to try with the little you can. Okay, and I'm assuring you that if you try with the little you can, when you want to input, you want to donate again, to provide help again, you provide more than what you initially donated with. Now, to the guiders to be, please, what Mr. Olani Ishmael has taught us should not just be to yourself. Please, let us pass this information across to our dialiners so that our community can be stable. Our community can move us to the next, to the next level. And I believe you will. Long live MMM. Long live Saji Mavrodi. Long live our great community. I am Agamini Onisofian. Thank you very much.